All right, I want you to see this part. Look at this. I'm going to compare it to my window. All right, today we're going to bring some frost glass paint. Now this one is really unique, really well, and I like that they give you everything, including the plastic gloves, the actual formula that's required, and then they give you tape to tape some of the area up, and of course the actual roller. The roller is just a sponge, right? It's a real simple roller, but unfortunately I can't demo this on my actual window, but I'm going to show you how it looks on the actual glass. So we're going to go ahead and put some of it in the glass and see how it works. Now it's very simple. Out of the box, just open it up and start, make sure you pour it somewhere that it's not going to spill too much, and you start spreading it out. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have a glass in here. Shake it up, all right? Make sure you shake it. And it has a safety thing that you have to remove all around it. And this is enough for a window, to be honest with you. But I'm just going to pour a little bit so you guys can see it working. All right, we're going to use some of the cover. Put it in there first. A little bit, just a little bit. That's all we need. That's all we need. Put the cover back. Straight it out. You have to do a couple of coatings too, right? Because it's going to freeze up. It's going to dry up really quick. You'll see it right away. It kicks in. I might actually add a little bit more. I want you to see the glass that I have on my window, right? This is a glass, and look how much I frosted. I did 2 coatings just to make it super dark, and it worked perfect, if you guys could see that. So I can't even see out. And look at this. This is out, and I'm just putting the glass against the glass. This is outside. You're not able to see anything. And I'm holding it down, just a piece of glass I just did, just so you guys can see the comparison. Toby, do you agree with me? Toby agrees. So this glass frost, look how good it looks. If you ever want to frost your glass, look at this. Simple. I put 2 coatings, but you only needed 1, to be honest with you. But just to make sure that it's working. And like, for example, this guy's coming here. Look at that. So out of the box, you can start painting it out. And it works very well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.